To add a debit card to Coinbase, start by logging into your Coinbase account and navigating to the Payment Methods page. This can be found by clicking on the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then selecting Settings and finally Payment Methods. On the Payment Methods page, you will see a list of all the payment methods you have currently linked to your account, as well as an option to add a new payment method. Click on the Add a New Account button. Then select Debit Card from the list of available payment methods. You will then be prompted to enter the details of your debit card, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter this information accurately, as any mistakes may cause the payment method to be declined. Once you have entered the details of your debit card, you will be asked to confirm the information and agree to the terms of service. After confirming, Coinbase will send a small verification charge to your debit card, which you will need to verify on the next page. To verify the charge, log into your online banking or check your debit card statement to find the small charge made by Coinbase. The charge will be listed as a pending transaction and will include a verification code. Enter this verification code into the Coinbase website to complete the verification process. After verifying the charge, your debit card will be added to your Coinbase account and you will be able to use it to make purchases and trades on the platform. Make sure to keep your debit card information up to date, as any changes to the card details may cause the payment method to be declined. It is also important to note that not all debit cards are compatible with Coinbase, so you may need to check with your bank to see if your card is eligible. Additionally, Coinbase has certain limits on debit card transactions, so be sure to review these limits before making a purchase. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily add a debit card to your Coinbase account and start making purchases and trades on the platform. Remember to always keep your account information and payment methods up to date, and to review the terms of service and transaction limits before making a purchase.